welcome to today's recipe. Today we'll be making a very easy and yummy recipe which is for 4 people, and this is called pasta penne with salmon and fresh cream. The first ingredient is some butter, some salt, 60 milliliters of fresh cream, 200 grams of smoked salmon, 350 grams of pasta penne. Now I have got a pan, I fill it up with water and I have to wait until it boils. Now that it's boiling, we can get the salt and we can put it in. And then we can get the pasta and put it in. Boil on how much minutes it says on the pasta box. Now get a big pan and put the heat low, and you have to put the butter to melt just like I did. And now you have to get this and you have to pour it inside. Now leave it for about 1 more minute and then switch it off. Now I pour the pasta out. And then I put it in. And then I can put the salmon in too. And then I start to mix very well. We have finally finished our fantastic plate. I really hope you enjoy and like it. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Bye.